Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to professionally fix water leaks in a Jeep Wrangler. First, let's identify the usual suspects. Water often enters through door seals, freedom panels, or even clogged cowl drains. A thorough visual inspection is your first step. Then, a controlled water test using a garden hose can precisely locate the entry point. This initial assessment saves you time and ensures you address the correct problem area effectively. Before applying any new sealant, proper preparation is crucial for a lasting repair. Begin by thoroughly cleaning all seal surfaces using rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. This removes dirt, grime, and old residue. Next, carefully remove any old, hardened sealant or debris from the channels. Ensure the entire area is completely dry, allowing at least 30 minutes before proceeding to the next step. This ensures optimal adhesion. Now it is time to apply the new sealant. Select a high-quality, automotive-grade silicone sealant, which offers excellent flexibility and weather resistance. Apply a thin, consistent bead along the entire length of the affected seal or seam. For freedom panels, ensure the sealant fills any gaps. Reinstall panels and carefully check door alignment to ensure a tight, secure fit. Allow the sealant to cure for at least 24 hours. After the sealant has fully cured, perform a final water test to confirm the leak is completely resolved. Use a garden hose, mimicking rainfall, and observe for any new water intrusion. To prevent future leaks, regularly inspect all seals for any signs of cracking or degradation. Also, ensure your Jeep's cowl drains remain clear of debris, as blockages are a common cause of water accumulation. Proactive maintenance saves you trouble.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.